Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm about to do a crocodile pattern for my little sister. I hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back again. Thank you guys for coming back to watch my videos. So what I'm doing right now, I'm just pushing back all the cuticles, and then after pushing back the cuticles, and then I will use my cuticle cutter to cut them off. So I went in with my cuticle drill beads that I got on Amazon. So I'm just using it to walk around the cuticle areas. Okay, whenever you're doing this, just be very careful. That's my sanding bands. I'm just going to use it to take out all the excess shine from my nails. This thing is very painful when you file it too much. Okay, that's my Makartt nail file. I'm just shaping her nails. Okay, so that's my Makartt glue. I went ahead and sized out all the nails off camera, so I'm just applying the nails. After applying the nails, I will use my nail clipper to cut it off to the length that she wants. So now I'm using my sanding bands to take out all the excess shine from the nails. So I'm just going to use it to take out all the excess shine. After taking out the excess shine, I'll use my dehydrators and my primers. So guys, I'm using this my blue Makartt Polygel that I got on their website. I'm going to use, this is the blue series. So this, I'm going to use the light blue, I'm going to use the clear, and I'm also going to use the base and the top coat and the brush. Okay, so that's the base coat I'm about to use. I'm going to apply the base coat on all the nails, and then I'll cure it for 60 seconds. So guys, if any of you is interested in this Makartt Polygel, you can go on Amazon and you'll find it there. Okay, because I got this when they were doing the 50% off from their website. That's my rubbing alcohol, my Polygel that I'm going to use. I'm just cleaning the brush so that I can start working on the nails. So you guys know how we do this on this channel. I'm just going to apply the Polygel and then I'll build it on the nails. So after applying it on the nails, I'll then cure it for 60 seconds. I will really recommend this Polygel, not just the blue series, like the Makartt Polygel. It's really good, trust me. For beginners, start with Makartt Polygel, and then you will come back and thank me later. All the stuff I use, I'm going to put them in the description box. So all you need to do is just click on the link, and then the link is going to take you straight to the place I got it from. Okay, So that's my nude polygel, because the middle finger is going to be an ombre. Okay, so I'm just going to do the ombre right now. So that's my clear polygel. I'm just going to apply it on all the nails just to encapsulate it, so that when I'm filing, I don't file out the color. Like I said before, like I said in my previous video, always do this because it helps you prevent it prevents you not to take out file out all the colors on the nails. Okay, please guys, if there's any noise, I am so sorry. Okay, because my window is really right across the street, so the buses, the cars, bikes, they move around. I'm so sorry for the background noise. Okay, so guys, it's time to file. I'm just going to file and file. I'm just going to shape the nails to the kind of shape that she wants. She wants a coffin, so that's what I'm going to be doing. Okay, if you know you are watching my videos, and you have not subscribed, just run down to the comment section and raise up your hand, because I need to ask you a question. Why haven't you subscribed? We need to talk. Please guys, subscribe, like, share, comment. It's free. Nobody's gonna charge you. Support your girl. Have I done anything wrong? Please guys, support me. Okay, if there's any way you can share my videos, please guys, share. And to my returning subscribers, just go down to the comment section, just put I have subscribed. Don't worry, I'm going to share candies for all of you. You guys are my family members, you guys are my supporters. Okay, just run down there, put I have subscribed, and then your candy will be on the way. Please tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend that there's a nail channel that they can subscribe to, and then they will learn how to do nails. Please guys, I'm begging you, subscribe, like, share, comment. Most importantly, turn on your post notification bell, so that when I post any video, you will get notified. Okay, I'm begging you guys, just hit the subscribe button, because it's free. Nobody's gonna charge you for it. It's free. Support your girl. Okay, and I will be so glad and happy to send you your own candy. Okay, thank you. So guys, after using my hand file and my e-file to file the nails above the nails, and now I'm using my slip solution to clean the surface of the nails. Let's skip to the good part. That's my blooming gel. That's the magic to the design that we have today. That's my gel liner, white gel liner. That's my top coat. Those are my rhinestones that I'm going to be using to design the nails. And that's my little diamonds that I'm going to be putting in the pinky. That's my rhinestone gel and my rhinestone picker. That's the plate for the diamonds. Okay guys, this part is really fun. Just pay attention to it. Trust me, you will love it. So now I'm applying the blooming gel on the nails, and then I'm going to take my gel liner. I'm just going to apply it on the part that I want the white liner to be, and then the blooming gel is going to make the white liner spread so that we can get the crocodile pattern. Okay, just watch closely and then you see how I did it. You have to be very fast, because if you are not fast, the blooming gel spread very fast, so that you don't mess up the nails. So I just applied. When it spread to my satisfaction, I just cured for 60 seconds. So this is how the nails is looking right now. Came out really nice. So I'm gonna do the same on the middle finger. So for the pinky, I'm just gonna apply my rhinestone glue. So after applying that, I'll apply my top coat on it, and then I'll just pour those little rhinestone on the nails. Okay, that's what I'm about to do, and then I'll cure them for 60 seconds. So now I'm applying the top coat on all the nails. After applying my top coat, I'll cure it for 60 seconds. So that's my bombshell cuticle oil. I'm just going to apply it on all the cuticles, and then we'll see the finished look of these beautiful nails. So this is the finished look of these beautiful nails. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.